Did you know 2 million slaves became a nation in a single moment when walls of water split the sea? The Israelites had been slaves in Egypt for 400 years, but after 10 devastating plagues, Pharaoh finally let them go. Moses led them toward the Red Sea, but Pharaoh changed his mind. He sent his entire army, 600 chariots, racing across the desert to drag them back. The Israelites were trapped, the sea ahead, the army behind. Then Moses stretched out his hand and God split the water like walls of glass. 2 million people walked through on dry ground. Men, women, children, and livestock. The entire nation passed through safely, but when Pharaoh's army followed, the walls collapsed. Every horse, every chariot, every soldier drowned in seconds. In one night, a group of terrified slaves became a free nation. The timing was perfect. The scale was impossible. This wasn't just an escape. It was the birth of Israel. From slavery to nationhood in a single miracle that changed history forever.